Hello, everyone. Good evening and welcome to Las Colinas Elementary. My name is Shahnaj Ahmad and I am the principal of Las Colinas.
Hello, this is Shashi Panatpur, assistant principal at Las Colinas.
I'm Vicky Chang, the librarian at Las Colinas.
And hi, I'm Allison Elliott, the IB coordinator at Las Colinas.
Tonight, we are going to start off by talking to you about the top 3 reasons that you should become a fan of Las Colinas. Number 1 is that we are an IB World School, which is IB stands for International Baccalaureate. And we are going to discuss some more details of what it really means to be an IB school tonight. In addition to that, we have a very rigorous curriculum, which includes conceptual thinking, very inquiry-based, lots of problem solving, and looking at things with multiple perspectives. That comes from our IB program, in addition to our very rigorous and deep curriculum that we have in CFB. And the number 3 reason, which is our favorite reason about Las Colinas, is that we have so much diversity. Our students with the IB program get to learn about Spanish world language, Hispanic culture. We celebrate our diverse student population every chance that we get. And our families combined speak 22 languages. So our school is truly a snapshot of the world. Tonight, we're going to give you details about our robust curriculum. We are an A-rated campus and tell you a little bit more about that. International mindedness and how we celebrate diversity and internationalism on our campus. A little bit more about our Spanish world language, and then technology, our inquiry-based learning, our library resources, our wonderful librarian, and our 5th grade exhibition. And lastly, we're going to discuss action and how Las Colinas Mustangs take action in their community and help impact the world in a positive way.
Las Colinas Elementary is an A-rated IB World School for a plethora of reasons. For one, we have a very robust IB curriculum. Our learners engage in critical thinking, efficient and authentic real-world problem solving, and taking positive action in their own lives. This enables them to effectively impact the world that they live in a very pragmatic way through real-world service and action. Our IB curriculum engages our young learners in exploring, in provocation, in creativity, through effective instruction with staff and students working in very close collaboration with each other. Transdisciplinary learning connects across all disciplines. This, in turn, develops a sense of global curiosity in their minds to better the world that they live in. We at Las Colinas Elementary cultivate intercultural respect. We celebrate unity and diversity in very special ways. Our learners seek and value multiple perspectives. We cultivate in our young learners a sense of international mindedness. Our learners participate in a cultural museum that represents traditions and customs from every part of the world. Our student population is very diverse. Our students also participate in academic contests like the Math Olympiad, the Science Fair, oral reading, ready writing, reflections contest that includes thematic art, poetry, skit, etc. at the campus, district, regional, and state levels, and of course, walk away with many laurels, to say the least.
Every IB school teaches a second language to all the students. And the second language for Las Colinas is Spanish. Our Spanish teacher, Senora Parrish, teaches all of our Mustangs both the language and the culture. Las Colinas is a 1-to-1 campus with devices, and all of our Mustangs are taught to utilize all of our resources, including print resource and digital resource. All the learning taking places at Las Colinas start with the inquiry, and our 5th grade Mustangs will work on an exhibition project the whole school year intertwined with our academic curriculum. At the end of the school year, all the 5th grade Mustangs will present to various audience with the process of their research, their finding, and also their reflection.
Community service in action at an IB school is huge. Students from kindergarten all the way up through 5th grade take action on their learning. For example, in exhibition, 5th graders get to research an issue that they're passionate about in the world. Not only do they research about this issue, but they go on field trips and they have interviews with real live experts. And they take action on their learning, and then they share their presentation with the entire community. The exhibition process is beautiful to watch as it unfolds. And then we do focus on diversity here at Las Colinas. This kindergarten student, he decided to take action and make a wreath for his neighbor who celebrates Christmas, and make a wreath as a decoration as he celebrates the Muslim holiday Ramadan. We build relationships in our community locally with our senior center down the street. Our 2nd graders interviewed these seniors to find out what life was like years ago. The entire school participates in service in action. One year we collected toys for the Children's Hospital, and every year we march together as a family, parents, students, and staff in the MLK citywide parade. We've even been featured at least 4 times in the Texas IB Schools newsletter. Google Texas IB Schools, and you can read more about all the learning opportunities and experiences your child would get coming to Las Colinas. We do invite you to join our family. We are like a family, and we offer the International Baccalaureate Stellar Program at this campus. It's a rigorous program built on international mindedness and character development. We have something called the Learner Profile. We have a very active PTA. If you like to volunteer, this is the place for you. We love our PTA here at Las Colinas Elementary. So again, we are an IB World School, International Baccalaureate School. We focus on transdisciplinary learning, international mindedness. We take action in our world. We look at problems and we try to figure out ways to solve them. We ask a lot of questions and we personalize learning, as well as seek out and value many different perspectives.
So if you live in our school zone, you are all good to go to get your child enrolled at Las Colinas. And if you do not, that is totally okay, because we do have open enrollment in CFB, and applications, their application process will open February 25th, where you can apply to whichever stellar program that you like. So check out cfbisd.edu and apply for a stellar program. So thank you so much for joining us tonight. Bye-bye.